Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's another autocross day. So this is event number 3. It's looking like it's going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be sunny and low 80s, so should be a great time out at autocross today. So I haven't done anything to the car. It's been great. Come home, load it off the trailer, put it in the garage, and haven't touched it. The only thing that I need to do that I haven't done is, I don't know if I ever mentioned it before, but the lock cylinder stopped working right before our first event. So I pulled off the ignition switch and we just kind of used that to turn the car on. So we just pull the rod over until it starts. It works. It's a Band-Aid fix. We have to bend down underneath the dash to do it. So it's hard to do, or it's impossible to do with the straps on. So I do need to get that fixed, so I'll probably end up doing like a panel or something in the dash to get that done. But otherwise, everything is working on the car as planned, as designed, so that's really good. One minor factor that might influence the day, I just got my second shot in my right arm. So it is feeling quite sore. It's feeling better than it did on Friday, but it is still sore. But I think once we get going, the adrenaline's pumping, not going to notice it at all. We'll be able to, and it's just a 1-2 shift. So Ashley's doing really good on autocross too. So we've got some things for her to work on, just pushing the car faster. She's a little timid to rev the car out. So just need to hold the throttle down further or longer or something of that nature. We were watching some of the last videos and data, and like she was getting to 4,000 RPM where I was hitting 5,000 RPM. So that's a big jump in speed. And any little 1, 2, I mean some differences, we had 5 miles per hour. So every mile per hour difference is time that you're losing. So if you can, just 1 or 2 miles per hour more can make a big difference on a short autocross course. So that's some things that we're working on for her. For me, I think just maybe cleaning up the runs a little bit. Like the last runs were feeling a little loose, which loose can be good in certain situations. If you're able to get the car to rotate better around corners, but you don't want to be too loose to where you're spinning tires or spinning out. I had some instances where the tires were spinning, and that's lost grip. So you need to put all the traction down that you can. Without further ado, let's get into the autocross videos.
Alright, starting autocross, so I'm running in heat number 2. So I got one other car that's in my class. He ran in heat number 1. He ran really good. He put up a fast time. He had the fastest time in heat 1. He ran a 39.6. So that's my time to beat. So we'll see if we can get it done. We got 5 runs today. 5 runs. Thank you. 38.5 right off the bat.
Of a second margin over Peter French.
Top FTD, top packs. All right. 38.564, new FTD, new top packs. So number 1 of 2. Alright, so we'll see if we can drop the time off more from that run. Awesome. Number 2. The first run was really good, felt really loose, so hopefully tires just kind of warmed up and we'll get a little bit better. So I did have fastest time of the day, but someone did come in and get 38.4, so 1/10 faster. So we'll see if we can clean up the run and get a little bit faster on this one. That one. Just lost top packs, but that's all right. All right, so run number 2 is a throwaway run. Trying to do just a lift around a cone, then brake to get around another one, and just back end came out from around me. So we'll try again on this run number 3. Faster. It was fun though. That was a lot of fun. So close. Alright, so it was faster than my first run by hundredths of a second, so that was a 38.515. So overall position 2, top or packs number 2. I hit a cone, but
oh man, that is so cool. It feels so good.
Tires, man, tires.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks.
Oh, damn, that was fast too. Get that cone right.
Yeah, just one. Yeah,
damn,
just one.
I didn't think that was faster.
It's a bragging
Yeah.
rights run.
Man, that was awesome. Oh my god.
That one either. Hit some cones, so backed it down.
Picked up 2 in the slalom.
Yeah. Run number 5. going through, everything was feeling good. Just messed up a little bit in how much steering or something. Hit some cones in the slalom, so after that I kind of knew that it was no good, and I kind of went a little too hot into the sweeper, but then pushed it a little bit afterwards to just have some fun. So overall, a really good day. So final things: 1 out of 2 in class. Overall position right now is 3. Pack's position is 4. And this is end of second heat, so there's a 3rd heat and a 4th heat to go. So I will bump down in those times as the day goes on.
But that was a good looking run.
Alright, last run, I slowed down 0.4 of a second to 41.5, but overall, I think I probably drove my best today, most aggressive, really getting on the gas, so I'm happy. And it's hot.
All right, another autocross in the books. So this was event number 3 for us. So this event didn't go quite as planned, didn't do quite as great as we were hoping, but it was still a fun day and still did pretty good in classing. So for Ashley in ladies, she finished 3rd out of 5, which is really awesome. For my class, I did have 1 other competitor, and so I was 1 out of 2. As I alluded to in the video, a lot of the fast cars were in heat number 3, so I got pushed down in the standings pretty far. So I got pushed out of the top 10 in PAX and in raw time, which I thought would happen. A lot of the other cars were able to make that hard left to right turn that I just could not get the car to make that turn. So I'll probably have to do some kind of change to the car to try to figure out what I can do to get that. So what ideally you want to do is do a lift as you turn to the left, then brake to the right. And yeah, whenever I did the lift, the car just wanted to keep kind of going straight. It wasn't wanting to do that right-hander.
Oh, this was when you kind of blew out the back a little bit on that one?
Yeah, where it came around and then just didn't make the turn, so I just had a DNF on that second turn. Run. Yeah.
But it was a fun day.
Fun day. So that's the results for autocross number 3. But it's still early. There's still a lot of autocrosses left in the year. So stay tuned.